February the 19th, 2020. Dreadful apocalyptic distress ravages China at the same time. Now, locust swarms reach the country, threatening agricultural produce, after devouring Africa and the Middle East, triggering claims that the apocalypse seal in the book of Revelation in the Bible has been broken. Coronavirus with over 2,000 dead, swine fever or pig Ebola wiping out millions of pigs, H1N1 swine flu that can kill humans, H5N1 bird flu killing thousands of chickens, and H5N8 bird flu. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
God will be using events in China. God will be causing shaking events in China shortly. The Lord is revealing that the east of the eastern part of the eastern hemisphere will be judged severely. The east will be judged severely. The east will be judged severely. China, because they allow themselves to be drawn into the prophetic fulfillment of the Bible days. The Bible speaks of the kings of the east that would arise in a negative way against the people who decide to do God's work. And God said they are going to be judged severely. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming. You're going to hear about China. It's coming. It's coming. Dreadful distress. And one of the reasons is that these countries, not only but in other countries in the East, they have begun to lock their doors against the gospel. And as they move up the gospel, then they will move in the tragedies.